That's tempeh.
Yes.
How does it taste?
In the heart of Jakarta, two neighborhoods rise with the scent of boiled soybeans, both bounded by the same tradition, but shaped by different paths. I wanted to explore more, so I spoke with tempeh craftsmen, bought some tempeh, and visited their home-based production.
Guys, take a look at this place.
This is Gang Tempeh, a narrow alley in South Jakarta.
The roads here are so narrow, guys. Look, this is a local convenience store. So, over here as well. Guys, this is giving me Vietnam Ho Chi Minh vibes. Yeah. Like around, especially around the, well, just Ho Chi Minh vibes. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna ask a local. All over Indonesia, they've got these small little packets. Small packets of tea and stuff. like keropok also, keropok. There's a tailor here. Do they make tempeh there? Tempeh?
Gang means alley. This alley is so famous for producing keripik tempeh or crispy tempeh that it's nicknamed Gang Tempeh.
How does it taste?
Here, tempeh production is fast, precise, purposeful.
Wow. sorry.
Tempeh craftsmen or perajin tempeh in Indonesian work in tight, efficient spaces, producing crispy tempeh by the tub loads each day for markets across the city and sometimes for overseas markets.
Look here, guys. Oh, there's a lot of trash. Yeah. So this is home base. Look at that, guys. They're slicing it. Wow, this is after its fermentation. Wow. Then after this, they'll fry it. I can hear the sound of frying oil, guys. Listen to that. Oh, bagus. Bagus. Good. Can I try one? Really? Okay. Meow meow. Kucing. Okay? Oh, terima kasih. Creepy tempeh.
Creeping tempe Pak Joko.
Huh?
Creeping tempe Pak Joko.
Oh, okay. It's good. Very crispy. Creepy Tempeh Pak Joko, yeah? Yeah. That's the name of the store. He's the head of what? The cooperative.
Jadi anggota apa sih?
Anggota Kopti. Kopti itu koperasi
The,
tempe.
is he the chairman? The head?
Tofu tempe koperasi ya, koperasi.
Is he the head?
This is the member. The member.
Or the member?
The member.
Not,
for the whole.
not the chairman.
The chairman here, the chairman of this village. Bapak Titi.
Or the chairman of this village.
Bukan anggota bukan kepala Kopti bukan?
Bukan.
Oh, bukan. No.
Kita mewakili dari kelompok
He's representative.
Jadi kita mewakili dari 37 kelompok itu.
But he's chairman, but the chairman of the village. The chairman of the village, but for the Kopti, for the tofu tempe cooperative, he's the member.
Oh, he's the chairman of
this village. Chairman of this village.
Gang Tempe.
Not the chairman for the business, not.
Oh,
But the chairman of the village.
Oh, okay. Wah, terima kasih.
So anybody knows him.
Dan kebetulan di sini kita juga selaku apa ya, pimpinan wilayah.
You're a celebrity.
Pengurus RT. Ya,
Dan
kebetulan
he
saya
is,
juga pengurus RT.
he is the chairman, ya.
Okay,
Dia tahu
terima
chairman.
kasih.
Chairman itu pengurusnya.
Iya.
Pengurus ya.
Pengurus RT. Untuk lingkup wilayah.
The head
RT.
of the village.
Oh, terima kasih.
For the
Ini untuk pembuatan awal tempe.
This is the first material for making tempe.
Nah, ini mengawali dari pertama untuk pemecahan kulit kedelai.
First, they process to peeling the skin of the soya bean.
Okay.
Terus nanti dicuci sampai bersih.
After that, they wash it until clean.
Terus setelah bersih semua nanti dikasih ragi.
After really clean, they put some yeast
Ragi.
for fermentation.
Ya,
Untuk fermentasi.
ragi ini bukan berarti tanda pengawet, tapi untuk menjadikan tempe.
This is the material for making
Wait.
tempe.
They use yeast and not fungus. Can you ask him?
Yes.
No, ask him.
Ya. Bapak pakai ini.
Iya, tanpa dengan adanya ini maka nggak bisa jadi tempe.
Without yeast, not possible to make tempe.
No. Ask him. Do they use yeast or do they use fungus?
Yeast.
Yeast.
Yeast, ya. Jadi pakai ragi aja ya.
Ya pakai ragi.
No fungus.
Yang lain nggak ada. Nggak ada bahan pengawet, nggak ada bahan itu nggak ada. Khusus ini ragi ini yang membuat kedelai menjadi tempe.
And the soybeans are from America.
Dari
Amerika.
Betul. Ini kedelai ini impor dari Amerika.
Oh,
Amerika.
Amerika. Benar, impor dari Amerika melalui importir.
By the importer.
Melalui importir, terus importir kerjasama dengan Kopti.
Cooperate with Kopti.
Cooperative.
Kopti itu koperasi tahu tempe. Terus berjalannya Kopti itu kerjasama dengan tadi importir dan disalurkan ke anggota kita sebagai anggota.
Okay, what?
So the kooperasi cooperate ya, joint venture with the apa tadi?
Kopti dengan anggota.
With the members, and then ya dengan anggota
they can price lower.
Begin.
Ask him if he heard of Kampung Rawa and Tempe. How different is it from here?
Antara di sini dengan tempe di Kampung Rawa,
Oh beda,
bedanya apa?
beda. Kalau bahan sama, sama-sama
different.
kedelai dari Amerika.
The material is the same from Amerika.
Perbedaannya di sini
The
itu ada
difference
keripik tempe, kalau di sana nggak ada.
Di sini ada apa?
Keripik tempe.
Only one thing different. Here they can make also the crispy, the chips tempe. Over there not, he said. Only the tempe untuk dikonsumsi.
Over here they make crispy tempe, but over there?
Iya, here di sana enggak.
Di sana nggak ada keripik tempe, adanya tempe pasaran, tempe kayak tempe daun, tempe plastik. Gitu.
This is over there is normal tempe, something like for the people ya, for the people eating with rice ya. But here they make also the crispy or chips tempe. They don't.
So which is more professional setup here or Kampung Rawa?
Yang lebih profesional yang mana?
Sebenarnya sama.
Actually the same.
Kalau
sama-sama, same.
Sama-sama tempe. Perbedaannya di sana nggak ada keripik tempe. Di sini adalah dari masuknya tadi ke dalam Pak Joko ke dalam sini ada 37 pelaku pengrajin keripik tempe.
There are 37 the tempe maker here. 37
craftsmen.
Ada 37 pelaku UMKM keripik tempe.
For UMKM is special for the business for their internal product ya, internal product, but they sell to outside, for example the whole Jakarta. Here.
But for Kampung Rawa
ini lebih besar.
Lebih besar insya Allah.
This is bigger than in Kampung Rawa.
I know.
For the keripik tempe. For the keripik tempe ya. Jadi di sini kan bulat gitu. Di sini nggak bikin yang
ada, cuma nggak seberapa, cuma sekitar ada 8 orang.
8 orang
8
ya.
sampai 10 lah.
Oh ya.
10 orang.
Oh,
Untuk yang
jauh di sini.
Ya, di sini dekat-dekat. Itu yang namanya tempe pasarannya di pasar kan.
Because there are two kind of tempe ya. The tempe here is for chips, is something like that in the plastic long ya. But for the consume daily eating for the people is the normal tempe like this, flat ya, flat. They make tempe here not so many but only 8.
Crispy tempe.
Not,
Crispy tempe.
not for the normal tempe
bagus.
only 8. Only 8. Only 8 people who make the normal tempe for eating, daily eating ya, daily food. But in Kampung Rawa, he said there is no home industry for making the chips tempe. Only here.
Guys, he's treating me to. This is creepy tempe.
Joko creepy tempe.
Best of the best.
Where are you there?
Lezat, nikmat,
Renyah, crispy.
Quack.
Yeah.
Ask him why is it not round? Is it a different kind of tempe? Why is it not round?
Ini nggak bulat katanya.
Oh ya, kalau yang bulat di depan. Jadi ada 2 versi.
Di sini juga ada tuh ya.
Ada di sini juga ada, di depan juga. Jadi ini yang keripik tempe biasa.
They make two ya, they make two.
Ada
ya.
2.
They make two. Round and
Bunder.
square. Like ya. Tapi bahan sama ya.
Bahan sama,
But
boleh.
they make from the same material.
Oke, terima kasih.
Oh, terima kasih. Okay, so in case you're wondering what is this is tempeh. They are fermenting. So they will take this tempeh and they will slice it and they will fry it after fermentation. So it's very much a home-based operation here. You see, this is a home. So how different is the tempeh here from Kampung Rawa at Johor Bahru?
Beda.
Bedanya.
Kalau Kampung Rawa itu tempe biasa.
If the tempe from Kampung Rawa is the normal tempe, the flat one. Here is round ya.
Kalau di sini tempenya khusus buat keripik tempe.
The tempe here is
Tempe
special for making crispy tempe, ya, chips tempe.
So in terms of production, who produces more tempeh? Here at Gang Tempe or Kampung Rawa, Johor Bahru? In terms of volume, who produce more tempeh, here or there?
Mana yang lebih banyak memproduksi tempe? Di sini atau di Johor Bahru? Yang lebih banyak memproduksi tempe?
Kalau di sini banyakan sini sih.
Oh, here is much more than much more product than in Johor Bahru.
You are the son of Mama Tina. Okay. So, thank you very much. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Next, I visited Kampung Rawa, Johor Bahru, where the rhythm is slower.
Guys, we are in Kampung Rawa now. Going to see how they make tempeh. Jalan-jalan.
Iya, Bang.
YouTuber.
Makan dulu bang.
Makan? Oke.
Sayur asam.
Makan tempe. Tahu, okey.
Tofu is made here in Kampung Rawa, but the specialty here is deep fried tempeh, known as tempeh
They make
goreng.
tofu here as well in Kampung Rawa. Oh, it's so hot and they use the wood outside to burn.
There we have it, guys. Tofu factory is so hot. This is all the beans. As with gang tempeh, here in Kampong Rawa, tempeh production is very much home-based. Racks and racks of tempeh. The output here is however much smaller. Tempeh craftsmen here serve their immediate community. Warong's neighbors, local markets. Modest scale but the same devotion. And this is tempeh. Could you ask her what's the difference between the tempeh here and gang tempeh?
Apa katanya bedanya tempe di sini sama yang di gang tempe itu?
Ya sama sih Om, prosesnya sama.
The process is the same.
Do you export this?
Ibu ekspor di sini, diekspor. Oh no.
No. Dijual sendiri aja ke warung-warung.
Only for internal product, for internal use ya.
Guys, this is the east for tempeh.
Buat tempe.
This is how they set the tempeh on racks here. So over here in Kampong Rawa, they do like traditional tempeh, not the fried one, the creepy tempeh. This is tempeh, guys. Wow. I am perspiring so much because this place is absolutely hot. Look, we've got a fire going on here. I'll show you. Look at the fire. That's to boil the soya beans. It's absolutely sweltering hot. There are racks and racks of tempeh over here. On top of here as well. All over here as well. Oh, this is Kampong Rawa. Okay, and that's all the firewood out there. Over here. Like that. Okay. Sweltering. My gosh. Speaker. They're running a nightclub here. That's joking, guys. This is how they grind their beans. Like that. Hi? Mandalay. Look at all the tempeh up there. Tempeh began in Java, Indonesia, from humble soybeans and fermented into sustenance. A lifeline for many, crossing classes and cultures. Now, a global superfood, rebranded and refined. One tradition ever evolving. Still, deeply Indonesian. Indonesia!